Honor is back, and this time, they are not holding back. The Honor GT Pro is here to shake up the flagship space with bold specs, a futuristic design, and a focus on performance, display, and battery, all without breaking the bank. From its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset to a stunning 144Hz OLED display, this device screams speed, style, and substance. So is the Honor GT Pro just another flagship wannabe? Or is it the real deal? Let's break it all down in this full in-depth review. You don't want to miss this one. Starting off strong with the display, and it's absolutely stunning. The Honor GT Pro features a 6.78-inch OLED panel with a crisp 1.5K resolution and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media, gaming, or watching 4K HDR content, the experience is immersive, punchy, and fluid. But here's the kicker. Honor adds Oasis Polarized Eye Protection, a tech designed to reduce strain during long usage sessions. Whether you're under sunlight or using the phone in bed, the display adjusts to stay easy on your eyes without compromising brightness or color accuracy. It's not just a great display, it's a display that cares about your vision. Powering the Honor GT Pro is the mighty Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor yet. Combined with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, this phone is built for raw speed. Apps launch instantly, games run at max settings with zero stutter, and multitasking is as smooth as it gets. Whether you're switching between video editing, AI tasks, or graphics-intensive games, the GT Pro holds nothing back. This is a performance powerhouse wrapped in a sleek flagship frame. Let's talk photography. The Honor GT Pro comes equipped with a dual-camera setup that includes a 50MP primary sensor designed for crisp, vibrant daytime shots and solid low-light performance. A 50MP secondary sensor, which enhances depth, ultra-wide, or macro features depending on Honor's software optimization. Now, while it may not have a triple or quad camera setup like some other flagships, what Honor delivers here is precision, simplicity, and reliability. Expect sharp textures, accurate skin tones, and dynamic range that brings every shot to life. It's more than enough for social media, content creation, or even casual pro-level photography. Battery life is where the Honor GT Pro truly impresses. With a 6,000 mAh capacity, this phone is built to last all day and more, even with 144Hz enabled. Whether you're binge-watching, gaming, or on back-to-back calls, this battery won't let you down. And when you do need a recharge, the 90W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100 in under 40 minutes. That's flagship efficiency, minus the anxiety. Design-wise, the Honor GT Pro feels like a futuristic premium device. You get a durable metal mid-frame, classy aesthetics, and rhino glass protection for the front, adding serious durability and scratch resistance. The phone is also IP65 rated, so you're protected from dust and light water splashes. Whether it's work, gym, or outdoor adventures, the GT Pro is built to survive everyday chaos while still looking gorgeous. The phone runs on Magic OS 9.0, based on Android 15, delivering a smooth, refined experience with lots of customization. Magic OS brings smart multitasking features, fluid animations, better app control, and Honor-exclusive tools like smart folder organization, AI motion gestures, and system-wide dark mode enhancements. It's a clean, fast, and polished experience that supports this hardware perfectly. To round it all off, The 12-16 symmetrical dual speakers offer rich stereo sound, perfect for gaming, videos, and music playback. You also get advanced haptic feedback, solid connectivity features like Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, and all the sensors you'd expect in a high-end device. So, is the Honor GT Pro worth it? If you're after a phone with a buttery-smooth display, top-tier performance, solid cameras, big battery life, and clean software, this phone delivers all that and more. It may not have fancy gimmicks, but it nails the fundamentals and goes a step further with thoughtful design and user-focused features like eye protection and fast charging. For power users, gamers, and even casual users who want an all-rounder, the Honor GT Pro is easily one of the most underrated flagship contenders of 2025. What are your thoughts on the Honor GT Pro? Is it a flagship killer, or still missing something? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more awesome tech content coming your way. This is Tech Explorer, and I'll catch you in the next one.